Okay. Next stop, Tofu Squares. Isa na? Tofu Squares. Why? Okay, let's go na. Let's not other than. Let's go to this side. Isa look. What? Okay. First comment, oily daw.
No, it's outside kasi.
Hindi pa natitikman niya ng oily na. So, sinong judgmental?
Because of the sauce. Because of the sauce.
Ewan. Ayun sa background. Dun sa, ayun, hindi na si Ate. Look.
Okay, you first.
Smells. Wait. Smell test. Oily nga. Ang laki naman.
Just eat it.
Unang kagat, maalat.
What, really? Seems nice.
Ano? Against the light. Yun naman pala eh. Kaya tinabulap.
So nice.
Lahat ng pagkain dito maalat.
Can you be quiet?
Pero yung crablets matabang. At saka yung tenga kanina.
Grabe nga.
Di ba ang dami kumakain dito? In. Ayaw ko na. Hindi ko type.
I have it all to myself.
Yeah. Sige, lamon. Palibhasa, walang pasok ngayon. Supposedly, binabagyo kami. Kaso, ganyan ba ang bagyo? Wala namang bagyo ng ulan. Salamat na lang. Daming tao sa tali.
You don't want more?
I don't like it. I don't like it. What?
You're so loud. We're right in front of you.
Really? Sorry naman. I can't be a food critic. They'll kill me.
There's always something wrong. There's always something wrong.
That's why you're called it.
No,
Wait.
it's not.
No, I didn't say anything wrong with the liver. Nothing. I liked it. If I like it, I like it. If I don't like it, then I don't like it. Hey, lamon. Bye-bye. What's this? Tofu squares.
Wala na, ang tata.
Yeah, 49 pesos for like 4 pieces. Mahal.
No, it's not.
Mahal din.